Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the PhD admission notification that has come out from IIM Ahmedabad. So here all total 11 subjects are available for the PhD admission, and we are also going to discuss all the important dates, process, eligibility and fellowship. So if you are interested to watch the video, please watch this video till the end so that you will get all the latest information. So before this, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest research notifications, admissions related to PhD, UG and other admissions related to different reputed universities in India and abroad. You will get the notifications. So without further delay, let's get started. So here you can see we are into the official website of this Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. So if you just scroll down, you will get an announcement here. Online application for admission to PhD program batch for 2022 is now open. So once you click on this, you will come to this page. Alright. So this is all about the application details and other procedure. So let's see what are the information available. Once you click on this, you will come to this page, right? So let's see one by one the informations. So what are the subjects available? So all total 11 subjects are available. You can check: agriculture, economics, finance and accounting, human resource management, information system, innovation and management education, marketing, organization behavior, production and quantitative methods, public systems and strategy. So these are all 11 topics under which you can do your PhD. Alright, so let us see what are the other important notifications there in this notice. So this is all the basic things you can check there. So what are the basic eligibility criteria? Let us see. You need to have a master's or postgraduate diploma for 2 years. Professional qualifications like CA, ICWA, CS with BCom degree with a minimum duration of 3 years you must have. So BTech with 4 years degree with a CGPA of 6.5 or equivalent. So that is, you all know that it is for 4 years. So also you can apply, right? So what are the some of the terms and conditions? You can check here. So let's go some of the important other process, that is the selection process. So candidates applying to PhD program are required to take the common entrance test, that is CAT, or a standard test that is equivalent to CAT. For NRI and foreign students, this standard test is the Graduate Management Aptitude Test, that is GMAT. Alright, so if you are an Indian and wish to apply for this PhD program, so you need to take part in the CAT exam. And if you are applying from other than India country, that is if you are NRI or foreign national, you need to appear the GMAT. So different areas of the high level specialization of IIM given different standards. Okay, so these things are given. So what are the specialization you have already discussed, but here are the some of the standard tests equivalent to CAT, that is GRE, GMAT, UGC GRF. Alright, that is for agriculture. And what will be for economics? That is GRE, GMAT, GATE, UGC GRF and equivalent discipline. And finance and accounting, that is GRE and GMAT. Human resource management, GRE, GMAT and GATE. Alright, so like this for different topics, different layer of CAT exams are given. Valid for 2 years from the date of standard test and should be valid on the deadline of submission of the application form. So if you are appeared these exams within 2 years, you can apply that. So scores of CAT 2020 and 2022 are considered valid for this application to the PhD program in 2022. Alright, so if you have appeared the CAT exam in 2019, 2020 and 2021, so this course will be applicable for this PhD program. So why we are telling it is 2019? Because the batches will start from 2022, but the admission process is going on from 2021. Okay, the standard test scores not required if you are a PGP alumni of IIM and PGPPX or PMP alumni of any IIM where such scores are offered. Okay, so it is not for the part-time, evening or weekend distance learning programs of IIM are not considered. Right? So you need to be careful on this line. So what are the fellowship? So IIM provides a comprehensive fellowship that covers all the academic expenses, that including tuition, computer, library, medical insurance, placement, alumni fee. In addition, it includes monthly substance allowances. So as below. So for the first and second years, it is 37,700 rupees. After successful of the completion of the area of comprehensive examination, you are eligible for 40,700. And after the TSC approved the SCC proposal, 45,200 rupees will be applicable as your fellowship. Along with that, you all know that there is a contingency allowance of 25,000 per year for 5 years. It is so that covers the expenses of books, photography, etc. to all the students, and around 1,75,000 for attending different international conferences, workshops, summer schools. So it will be also applicable. Okay, so this fee is for 5 years. That is not for every year you are getting, it is for the 5 years. So this PhD program will be a full-time residential program, so accommodation will be provided to all the students. Okay, so fixed number of houses, married students are available on the campus. So let's see how to apply this. So there will be an application fee, that is 500 rupees. Okay, so how to pay through the IIM gateway. So we'll come to this page only after this, and the last date of application will be on January 17, 2022. Right. So here also it is also mentioned. So application will start from 13 September. So the application is already started. So till the January 17, 2022, the application will remain open. So if you have any queries regarding this admission process, you can call on this number, that is Manager PhD Program. So one phone number is given. Right. So these are some of the important things we have discussed in this PhD program. So once you click on this admission process, so you will come to this page. So if you have already applied this page, you might have got the login ID and password. But if you are a new applicant, please register here. So once you click on this, one new page will open. There's a general form like your name, email ID, your citizenship, alright. So everything and detail here. So here also similar thing is given. You can check the brochure, but if you have time, you can check the brochure as well. Brochure comprises it having all the information regarding the different things available with the IIM and their achievement. So I am skipping this part. If you are required, then I am putting this link in the description so that you will go and find it. So I hope you like this information. Then please press the like button and do not forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues and students who are interested to take admission in this PhD program with IIM Ahmedabad. And also please subscribe our channel for any future related videos to PhD admissions in different reputed universities in India and abroad. So you can check our other past videos we have made for you. Alright, so please comment below if you like this video. Alright, so also join our Telegram channel and other social media handles. Links are in the description. And with this, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.